Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm pretty much going to be doing an emoji themed chip bag that was requested. This is one that I already have. This is the boy version. This is one that I have for girls. I just put my daughter's picture on it, that's why it's got the blue border. I usually don't have that. But okay, so she requested a light blue and pink themed emoji chip bag. As you see, I don't have anything here, so we are going to be doing this together. But I do have a bunch of images over here that I've already, downloaded from Google, and I guess I'm going to assemble on here some kind of way. So of course you go to Google and you, like I said, be as specific as possible. This is where I got the crown, the emoji crown PNG that I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but I just, typed it in. Or if you don't want to do it, single-handedly, you can go to pink emoji, pink emoji background, and pick a background that pretty much best suits what you're looking for, what your customer is looking for. I mean, as you can see, there are some that is pink and blue. You can find it. You can definitely find them. So, oh, that's cute. I'm just gonna. I would use one. Okay, no, we're not gonna use one. We're not gonna be lazy, you guys. We're gonna go ahead and create, I guess, a chip bag. So, yeah. Okay, I guess I want to see what these different textures look like. The different blues. I want to do like a blue border, but okay. I don't, like I said, the texture is always different. I think I want to go with this texture on the border. So yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's gonna be my border. Alright, there we go. And then let's go ahead and push that backwards. Okay, now what picture do I want to use? Is this too much bling? Can you have too much bling? Is there like a such thing? That's too much? Okay, I feel like this might be a bit much, so I'm just going to take that out. Like, I'm not really feeling the way that is coming out so far. Like, it's just feeling like a bit too much. So, I'm just going to go with plain background for the inside of it. That just felt like too much. It was just very, very overpowering, I guess. Or what is this? What does this look like? Nope, don't like it. Alright, let's push this back. Alright, I'm just gonna insert a plain one because, y'all, that was like too much glitter up in my face. At least I felt like that was way too much glitter. It was way too much bling going on. So I'm just going to do a solid color. And she said light blue, so let's see what, I guess, light blue look like. Ooh, no, Lord. No, let's go with definitely something cuter. Okay, it's better. We're getting somewhere, I guess. This is off just by a little bit. Oh, come on, fix it. Goodness, it still didn't fix. Alright, it fixed. Thank you. Now let's push, we gotta push some things back so we can see our nutrition facts. Okay. Now I guess we just add in our emojis. Now see, now the middle look too plain. Now I don't like the middle. Ugh, this is gonna be confusing. Okay, so maybe I should go with a solid for the back and then, I'm sorry you guys. I know, it's like, make up your mind already, right? Insert, shapes, rectangle. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to do the, and that's perfect. Okay, copy. Yeah, we're just gonna do it like that because, that plain thing, it just looked too plain in the middle. Okay, so that looks a lot better. So, there's so much you could do. You could, fill this up with, what? Fill it up with, goodness, you could put a picture image in there if you want. Or you could just, you know, add emoji after emoji on the inside of here. I mean, it's pretty much up to you. Or you could just use the one emoji. Just do it big. Cause I kind of like the crown. Looks cute. Let's put some words on this. I did not say insert a file. I did say insert a file, but I don't want you to. So let's go to insert, word art. Let's get something girly. Okay, that works for me. Now let's do it in the light blue. And let's do it bigger. Happy birthday, insert, happy birthday, Niela. We're going to go the same color with that light blue, no outline. Let's bring it down some. Is it me or is this just bright? Maybe I was staring at my screen too long. This thing look bright as heck. Okay. Now let's insert some more words. What do I say on the other one? Thanks for an emoji. Okay. Did I put all that on one line? Alright, let's go down to the curls. This is like really blinky. This is hurting my eyeballs. My goodness. Okay, now let's put some other emojis up in here. I feel like some other ones should be up in here too. But maybe like if we do them smaller, you know. Do it like up here. Do it in front, forward, yeah. Yeah, let's go back and see if we can find a pattern. Pink and blue. Something that would be cute. Okay, let's wait, what is this? That's pink and blue. Alright, but it's got yellow in it too. I say you gotta be specific when customers request things. You definitely gotta ask questions. That's cute too. I like that one. Now I'm getting into stuff that has nothing to do. Alright, let's see what this looks. Oh, that's small though. Alright, now let's just hurry and throw this up in here. We're experimenting. Get off. Okay. Insert pictures. Oh, that would be cute to put like on the sides. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Okay, let's crop this down real quick to the sides. Copy. Paste. Oh shoot, okay. Can you really tell? Oh no, take it back. I want it back. Okay. Alright, let's send this stuff backwards. Back. Oh no, not that back. Okay. Now let's do the same for this one at the bottom. Back. No, you cannot tell. I think that looks super cute. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay, well, you guys, this was pretty much, I guess, the example that I came up with for the emoji themed chip bag that is pink and light blue. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And it was very simple, very quick, very easy. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.